I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. Here's an email question I received recently. I want to remove multiple spaces in Word, but can only remove one. Well, after some clarification, I understood what the reader wanted to know. When you have a plethora of spaces in a document, the delete key removes only one at a time. And moving in from the other direction, the backspace key removes only one space at a time. So how can you most effectively remove the entire span of spaces all at once? As a review, here are Word's keyboard shortcuts for mass text destruction. Delete removes the current character. Backspace removes the preceding character. Control-Delete removes the word forward. Control-Backspace removes the word back to the left. If you use the Control-Delete keyboard shortcut on this span of spaces, it removes not only all of the spaces, but the next word as well, which isn't what you want.
You didn't just leave the poor man hanging.
Of course not. It took a while, but I figured out a solution, though it's not elegant. With the toothpick cursor at the start of a space cluster, press Control-Shift-Right. The spaces are selected as a block, not the next word, only the spaces. Tap the space bar. The clutch of spaces are replaced with a single space, which is good because
your document should have no more than one space in a row.
Seriously, if you need 2 or more spaces, you should set a tab, which is a topic of another Word Tips video. And God is in that video as well, because spaces are a big deal for the Almighty. Alas, no simple or direct way exists to remove 2 or more spaces in a document. One trick you can try is what I call the multiple peel of spaces. Press Ctrl-H to summon the Find and Replace dialog box. Into the Find What box, type 2 spaces. Tap, tap. In the Replace With box, type a single space. Tap. Replace All. Here you see that Word has plucked out all instances of double spaces, nasty double spaces, and replaced them with single spaces. But you're not done. No. Do it again. Just click the Replace All button. See? More were caught, probably instances of triple or even quadruple spaces. Nasty. And do it again. Replace all. Keep repeating this action until all double or more spaces are completely purged from the document. When the box finally says, "We made 0 replacements," whoever "we" is, you're done. The document is purged. You know where you can find more tips like this? In my Word books.